Buckle up, because we're diving headfirst into this wild world. From how they load these behemoths to the intricate choreography of their journey, it's all about precision, creativity, and guts. It looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. We're talking about the jaw-dropping, heart-pounding world of transporting massive things like bulldozers the size of houses, giant bridges, and those sky-high wind turbine towers. These aren't your everyday hauls. This is the Olympics of transportation. A tricky situation arises as a convoy of trucks sporting a jaw-dropping 152 tires hits a snag. A low-hanging traffic sign halts their journey. These four giants, each hauling colossal reactors, find themselves at a standstill. Enter the Scania puller tool, making its debut with some serious problem-solving flair. Meanwhile, two cranes spring into action, carefully lifting the traffic sign to clear the way. But here's the kicker: how will they handle the toll station that's just up ahead? This is gonna be interesting. It's a heads up that you're about to witness a giant of the road, a transformer weighing a jaw-dropping 360 tons being hauled. This isn't your everyday oversized load, it's a mechanical behemoth rolling out in style. These exceptional convoys are specially planned, usually involving massive trucks and trailers, with multiple axles to spread out the weight and ensure the road doesn't crack under pressure. Moving a 360-ton transformer isn't just a grab-the-keys-and-go situation. Moving one is like transporting a giant heart for the grid, a delicate yet massive operation. It's heavy, slow-moving, and commands respect, just like the professionals who make it happen. These loads are the unsung heroes keeping the lights on, literally. In an impressive feat of coordination, Collette & Sons tackled the monumental task of moving a massive 184-ton Hyundai supergrid transformer. You've got to see the video. Watch those tractor units navigate sharp turns at Hole's Chapel with absolute precision. What's even more remarkable? This is the third transformer they've moved in just 4 weeks, all destined for critical national grid substations at Sellerhead, Lyne, and Willen Hall. Hats off to their incredible efficiency and skill. Picture this, a massive, classic locomotive, the Deltic D9009 Elisodon, being transported not by its own wheels on rails but loaded onto a monster truck trailer for a road trip. And who's making it happen? Aleli's Heavy Haulage, a team that turns impossible moves into their daily grind. This isn't just any train, it's a legend. Built in the 1960s, the Deltic D9009 is a piece of British rail history, famous for its twin Napier Deltic engines that gave it insane power and speed back in the day. These guys are the real-life superheroes of heavy transport. When something huge, heavy, and awkward needs moving, like a full-sized locomotive, they roll in with specialized trailers, hydraulic lifting gear, and enough know-how to pull off the impossible. It's like watching a symphony of logistics and brute force. Alright folks, check this out. When we talk about heavy-duty military machines, the British Army Oshkosh Heavy Equipment Transporter is the MVP you can't ignore. This beast of a truck is the muscle behind moving some of the heaviest and meanest vehicles in the military arsenal. These HET are the unsung heroes, quietly handling the logistics so the tanks can do what they do best. Whether it's training or combat, they're the steady workhorses of the operation, proving once again that teamwork makes the dream work, even in the military. filmed between A1 Markham Moore and Conton, Knots, ALE transport components for the Staythorpe Power Station project in 2009. Footage taken along a stretch of the A1 road in Nottinghamshire, England, where ALE, a logistics company, was transporting large heavy components needed for the Staythorpe Power Station project. This filming captures the movement of these massive parts, essentially a behind-the-scenes look at the complex logistics involved in bringing pieces of infrastructure from one place to another, showcasing the power and precision of the operation. Alelis was hired to move two massive 300-ton loads from Shoreham to Neanfield in Sussex, England. Now, we're talking some serious machinery here. These loads weren't just big, they were huge, and moving them required a whole lot of careful, precise driving. Tight corners and a low railway bridge? No problem, they had to navigate those like a pro, all while making sure they didn't scrape or cause any damage. Getting up those hills? That wasn't just a matter of steering, it was sheer brute power. The kind of strength that says, it's like trying to push a mountain uphill, but with the right equipment and skill, they made it happen. Let's explore the amazing work of Transports Monteo. They're using 20 powerful Goldhofer trailers to move materials in a challenging mining project in Panama. Their impressive Komatsu PC 8-11 excavator, a giant with 820 tons and a whopping 4,000 horsepower, is expertly navigating steep hills. This incredible feat showcases the skill of both the machines and the operators. Shout out to Martin Bencher for their incredible work on the Nordlink project. They pulled off an absolute masterclass in logistics, flawlessly managing the transport of 7 colossal transformers, each tipping the scales at 225 tons. The sheer magnitude of this operation showcases their unmatched skill in handling oversized cargo. And let's not forget the final stretch, a 74 kilometers journey through Norway's breathtaking landscapes. Imagine witnessing that convoy roll through. It must have been a sight for the ages. A Sandvik DR416i blast hole drill rig from Alachua, Florida, all the way to the port of Houston, Texas. This isn't just your average load. We're talking about a piece of heavy-duty mining machinery designed to punch holes into the earth with precision and power. Hauling this big guy across state lines isn't just a matter of hitching it to a truck. It's a full-scale operation involving precise planning, specialized equipment, and expert navigation to handle the rig's massive size and weight. A 160-ton tank, stretching a whopping 45 meters long, crawling up the steep Swedish hills like a mechanical beast straight out of a sci-fi movie. The heart of this unstoppable machine? A powerhouse Mercedes-Benz Actros teamed up with a Goldhofer trailer, the dream duo for tackling insane climbs and marathon routes. As the engine roars and the wheels dig into the earth, you can feel the raw strength and precision in every inch of its climb. It's like watching a giant robot flex its muscles, absolutely mind-blowing. A massive transformer, one of those huge pieces of electrical infrastructure, was being transported from Stafford. These things weigh 250 ton, literally, and require some heavy-duty equipment to get them moving safely. Initially, the Ailey Unipower, a specialized tractor unit built for hauling gigantic loads, was supposed to handle the job. It's a cool reminder of how versatile and adaptable these machines, and their operators, are when it comes to solving complex problems in the field. Doolan's Heavy Haulage is a company that specializes in transporting very heavy equipment and cargo. They are currently moving some large mining truck bodies made by Komatsu, a Japanese heavy equipment manufacturer. These truck bodies are designed to carry 120 tons of material. The trucks are being moved from Perth, the capital city of Western Australia. These truck bodies are being hauled from Perth, Western Australia, a city known for its remote location and mining industry, orchestrating a logistical ballet of sheer muscle and precision to get these giants where they need to go. It's like moving mountains, but on wheels. Alright folks, let's talk about the 15-ton scrubber making its epic journey from Malaysia to Thailand. Now, moving this 15-ton beast isn't your average Sunday drive. It's a logistical ballet involving cranes, flatbed trailers, and a team of pros who know their stuff. Picture a convoy cruising through winding roads, crossing borders, and navigating customs, all to ensure the scrubber arrives safe and sound in Thailand, ready to do its job. This kind of transport isn't just about muscle, it's about precision. Every turn, every stop, every bump in the road is calculated. And let's be real. Witnessing this megatruck convoy crossing the Blyth River in remote Australia was an incredible sight. It seemed like an endless line of wheels, spanning what felt like miles. These massive vehicles, likely joined together for the river crossing, navigated the challenging terrain with impressive skill. This video showcases incredible engineering and skill. It's amazing to see a 72-ton crushing plant being transported so smoothly. I can't believe this giant machine can be controlled remotely, even the steering. The driver did it manually this time, but the fact that it's possible is mind-blowing. Watching an expert handle this enormous challenge with such confidence is truly inspiring. Under the shimmering streetlights, Bowman's convoy skillfully maneuvers 3 thermal tanks through the tight city streets. The massive loads twist and turn with pinpoint precision, engines rumbling like distant thunder. This isn't just transport, it's an engineering masterpiece in motion. Can the team conquer this high-stakes dance of machinery and finesse? Wow, Edwards' moving and rigging just blew us away. They pulled off an amazing feat by successfully completing a complex turnkey project. They transported 4 gigantic superloads, including 2 monsters, the GT and GTG, weighing a mind-blowing 700,000 to 944,000 pounds each. They navigated the challenging roads of South Florida like pros, tackling tight corners, rough terrain, and scorching heat with ease. It's truly impressive and shows they're experts at handling the most demanding logistical challenges. Markham Transport is a company that specializes in moving large heavy loads, and they recently filmed part of their journey along the high-load route near Doncaster, South Yorkshire. In this case, they were transporting massive brewery vessels, made in Derbyshire, all the way to the Molson Coors Brewery in Tadcaster, North Yorkshire. It's a fascinating glimpse into the logistics behind hauling these huge, specialized loads across challenging routes, making sure everything is safe and secure while navigating the roads. Wow, what an incredible engineering achievement! The video perfectly shows the amazing coordination involved in building a wind turbine. Watching the two massive 500-ton cranes work together is truly mesmerizing. It's incredible how they lift these heavy parts safely, even in challenging weather. The whole operation is just breathtaking. It's not just about moving the pieces, but carefully placing them exactly where they need to go. Thanks for joining us. We hope you found these innovations intriguing. Share your feedback in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content.